December 10th, 2019, 11:01 p.m. I'm on the dirt road, just seeing if I can see any, like, paranormal activity or just anything strange. Well, here's some more paranormal. I'm trying to tell everybody this is going on at a constant, and it's around us all at a constant. You got to pay attention and not just glance. And you'll see this. You see the dark shadows? How it's coming in closer and closer to where there's a like, that's like the paranormal activity. See that? I don't know what that is, but that's what's causing these patterns and stuff everywhere. You can say I'm crazy if you want to, but oh, yes, yes. What the hell? Oh, damn. Oh, shit. You have to see this. I'm gonna start this one right here.